Hello, good day. My name is Jenny Pagkaliwangan. I'm 41 years old. I am married and I have two sons. My eldest is 23 and my youngest is 13. I have 10 years experience working in Hong Kong, doing the household cleaning, cooking, marketing, babysitting. And I am honest, trustworthy, caring, hardworking, and positive thinking. I am also good at doing the household tasks like cleaning, marketing, cooking, babysitting. I want to work in Hong Kong because I've been there for 10 years. So I adapt their culture and weather. And some of employers are very nice. Same with the government. The government is very fair for everybody. So I hope you hire me and see you soon. Thank you.